Assalamu alaikum class. Today we start the lecture. We will start from the chapter number 2, structure of atom. And structure of atom, as you know that in the definition of chemistry, we discussed earlier that chemistry is the branch of science that deals with the study of matter. ठीक है? And now we will study the structure of atom. अच्छा, एक बात है, डेमोक्रिटस एक साइंटिस्ट थे. He explained that the matter is composed of indivisible particles, and that indivisible particles he called them atom. And atom, why this he called them atom? Because atom is the Latin word derived from the Latin word atomus. Atomus means indivisible. He said that matter is composed of indivisible particles that are called atoms. ठीक है? Then जो John Dalton explained this and gave a theory. This theory is called atomic theory, and John Dalton at the first of the 19th century, 1817, John Dalton is a scientist that gave an atomic theory. According to this theory, these are called indivisible particles, and these indivisible particles are matter is composed of indivisible particles, and that is indivisible particles are called atoms, because he explained the atoms. So this theory is called atomic theory. And according to atomic theory, he also explained that the center of the atom is a hard lens. ठीक है? अब नेक्स्ट हम स्टडी करते हैं. इतना तो हमारे पास हो गया कि ये वाला हो गया, लेकिन मसला ये था कि ये करता गया इन द स्टार्ट ऑफ 19th सेंचुरी. ये इन्होंने बोला, लेकिन एट द एंड ऑफ द 19th सेंचुरी यही माना जाता था कि एटम इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ इंडिविजिबल पार्टिकल्स, एंड दैट इंडिविजिबल पार्टिकल्स आर कॉल्ड एटम्स. लेकिन बाद में इसके एंड में 1886 में और नेक्स्ट 20th सेंचुरी में मुख्तलिफ साइंटिस्ट आए, एंड दीज डिफरेंट साइंटिस्ट परफॉर्म्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट एक्सपेरिमेंट they showed that and proved that not atoms are indivisible particles, but their atoms are also composed of some indivisible particles, and these indivisible particles are proton, electron, neutron, and that scientists are William Cook, J.J. Thomson, Goldstein, and Chadwick and Rutherford. They work on that particles, subatomic, and these atomic particles are called now subatomic particles. And subatomic particles जो होते हैं, and they also explained that protons have positive charge, electron have negative charge, and neutron have no charge. ठीक है? अब नेक्स्ट हम स्टडी करते हैं, इसके बारे में हमने हो गया. लेकिन जब ये सारा कुछ पता चल गया, देन जे थॉमसन ने एक उन एटम की स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में फर्स्ट थ्योरी जो दी, उसका नाम था प्लम पुडिंग थ्योरी. Theory. According to that theory, atoms are made up of same like that proton, neutron and electron, and he said that J.J. Thomson said that positive particles are present in the center, and center is a heart, and he said that it is a rigid structure of atom, that it is a rigid, and in the center there is a positive charge present, and around these positive charge these electrons, negative particles are stuck out uh, in that cell, that atom, and stuck out just like a plum in pudding, because it's like a plum in pudding, so that's why this theory is also called plum pudding theory. ठीक है, अब इस जिस तरह पडिंग में प्लम्स जो होते हैं स्ट्रक आउट होते हैं, उसी तरह वो कह रहे थे कि नेगेटिव पार्टिकल्स भी जो क्या होते हैं स्ट्रक आउट होते हैं. ठीक है, तो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स कॉल्ड प्लम पडिंग थियरी. ठीक है, और नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास